Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple's Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll go over just a little bit of unboxing along with a quick look test fit for the Apple Watch, this Spigen case. So this is a case with a band, so it's basically a combo. Now without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So we have some little bit of an info, 30 whatever 5 watts. Okay, no one cares. Oh boy, that's full metal. Oh, actually wasn't expecting that. Now from the back, the case is metal, but the inlays for the watch, are rubberized around it, so you can actually squeeze it in there and it's going to hold it. Obviously, if it was metal, it wouldn't really be, pliable to squeeze the watch in there. Anyway, let's take off the original bands from it. There we go. Now, I guess I'm gonna go like... Now, I actually think I might need to actually unscrew this. Which, with that being said... Do I need something out of here? No, it just doesn't come with it included, which is a little bit of a shame. Because yeah, I'm not gonna be squeezing it in here. There's no freaking way. Yep, nope, not happening. So yeah, it looks like to apply this, we actually need to unscrew it. So we do have the screws in the top and bottom. And judging by the looks of it, you basically take it out, then because it's rubberized, you put it over it, and then it will just fall in there, obviously, and you screw it back in, and it's going to be in there without actually budging. Now, oh boy, there is one problem already. Oh yeah. So not only will this not fit without unscrewing it, this one actually won't be good for this watch at all in general. So the previous one had, I believe, a little bit of a different design. Let me just quickly actually make sure. I thought they were basically the same, but I guess I was wrong. So Apple Watch Ultra. No, not the second one. I want to see the first one. Looks the same. Give me a brief moment while I make sure that everything is the same. Because there's a bit of a problem with this case. So we do have buttons on the left side along with the speaker, as you can see. And as you can also probably see, this does not have any kind of button right here. And the speaker grill that was here is a little bit too offset. And I'm trying to see the first one, how it exactly looked like, but because this is the new one, finding, things on Google Images is a little bit cumbersome because, even though you write one, it still shows you not what you're looking for. And any kind of photo that I can find is obviously not from a site, but in any case, whatever the first one was, it won't fit with the second one, which is a little bit of a shame. So yeah, these are completely offset. So yeah, anyway, I'm not even gonna attempt to squeeze it on there. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, even though it didn't really show you much considering this doesn't fit, then don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.